Hello, my name is Howard, and you are welcome to Moments with Reality. Today, I want us to discuss the life of a loner. Now, I'm leaning on this tree here. This is a palm tree, and palm trees belong to a group of trees called Monocot plants. And Monocot plants have very unique characteristics that I want us to take each one of them and relate to the life of a loner. Other examples of monocot plants are, for example, rice, grass, coconut, palm, oil palm, maize, and so on and so forth. Now, what is so unique about monocot plants that relates to the life of a loner? So if we take it right from the root of this plant, now monocots have fibrous root system. They are like brushes, but interesting enough, they have the ability to grip and to hold on to the soil. So you hardly find monocot plants being uprooted by winds and so on and so forth. And even when there is a flood, you see that the grass will lie down. But after a few minutes or days, you see that they lift up their heads again, which is a very beautiful thing about monocots. Monocots also tend to have no branches at all. As you can see, this does not have any branch at all. What does it mean? It means that you do not stretch forth your hand to anybody, and neither would anybody stretch forth his or her hand towards you. And that makes the life of a loner a very difficult one. I want you to think about it. Now, again, monocots also, when they produce fruits, the fruits are usually in clusters and gathered at just one portion of the plant. What does that also tell you? You are overly protective about the things that you're supposed to reach out to the world. Because you do not produce branches, your fruits are clustered in one place. And therefore, anybody who wants to really get and reach out to you must climb this particular tree. And it's very difficult to climb a tree that does not have branches, because you need the branches to hold on, just as monkeys will swing from one branch to another. Is that your life? I want you to think about it. The monocot plants also produce flowers that are not colorful, and therefore many people don't even know that these are the flowers of monocot plants. Is that the way you want your life to be? No color, no point of attraction. Yes, of course, you do contribute to life, but that is not what we are talking about. We are talking about your life as a loner, using the monocot plants as an example. Indeed, the very interesting thing is that monocots do produce very interesting fruits: coconut, oil palm, rice, maize, millet. But let's take coconut, for example. You need a cutlass to crack open coconut. Is that the kind of life that a loner should have? You need a cutlass to crack open, because coconut, sometimes I equate coconuts to cannonballs. They can actually be shot by cannons. The harvesting of coconut fruits, the harvesting of monocot fruits is usually a difficult task. Harvesting of maize, harvesting of rice, coconut, plantain, you involve a lot of work. In as much as your fruits are very beneficial to human beings, you have surrounded yourself with so much difficulty that people find it very difficult to reach out to you. Yes, indeed, we live in a very beautiful ecosystem where monocot contributes their lot to society. But as an individual, as a living thing, do you think that it is worth living your life as a monocot? I want you to think seriously about it. And to conclude, remember that Jesus Christ would always send his disciples in pairs. The day he decided to send one person, which is Judas, Satan entered him. The day Moses decided to bring salvation to the people of Israel, he went alone and he killed somebody. I want you to just think about it. God bless you.